Hi friends, welcome back to the Martin Museum. I'm Kelly Martin, independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we're going to look at what came in my monthly subscription box. So each month I have an order that comes in. It's automatically shipped. I have it set up. I can go in and modify it each month if I want to add or take away from it, and I tend to mix it up a little bit. But you can add any consumable products into the order so that it's automatically shipped. That way you never run out of the products that you need. So good things to put in there is your laundry soap and your Scent Soft and washer whiffs, or if you have certain scents, wax scents that you really like, which actually is probably my favorite use of my subscription club, is that I have scent bars that I get that were discontinued months ago, but I still get them because I have them added to my Scentsy Club. So that is where, when you talk to people who say that they always get their bar, it's because they have them in their Scentsy Club order, and so it ships every month, every 1 month, every 2 months, or every 3 months, whatever works best for you. And as long as you leave them in your subscription, you will continue to get them. So I have certain scents that I just absolutely love and want to make sure that I get throughout the year because they're limited edition and not necessarily going to come back. I have a couple in here that were scent of the months that I really liked. So I have the Aloe Vera and Ivy from, which I will get to. Let me open this up. This box was well sealed. So I get 2 bars of the Aloe Vera and Ivy, which I just had somebody call me and said, "Oh my gosh, do you have this?" I'm like, "Well, actually I do. So yes, you can get a bar. I guess I'll share." And then I also get the pumpkin chai, which was one of our fall scents. Next in here, I did order in, so we had special bricks this year, and there were 3 scents that the bricks came in, and I personally don't care for the size of the bricks. They're just too big for me, so I like the smaller ones. I was able to add those 3 scents to my Scentsy Club, so I'm still able to enjoy those special holiday scents, but I added them to my Scentsy Club so I can get them in the bar form, which is the only way to order these in a bar. So I got the marshmallow mint cocoa, and this really smells like Andy's mints. So those were great. Another one of the scents was the Crimson Berry Christmas, which this is another scent that it's got kind of a cranberry and cinnamon smell to it. And I really like this. I think it's a really great Christmas scent as well. I also was able to order in the Mistress of Evil. This was one of the Disney villain collection, which we only sold it as a 3-pack, so you got 1 each of the 3 villains. And I did not care for the Ursula scent, and so I was like, well, I want to get the I'm looking because I think I have another one in here. I also have just 1 bite from the Evil Queen. So I have Maleficent and the Evil Queen, but I did not care for the scent that came as Ursula, and so I didn't want to order another 3-pack in, so I ordered these so that I could have the 2 scents that I really liked. Again, a perk of having your Scentsy Club order. I also got in, my husband loved this scent. This was the Salted Caramel Toffee. This was the 3rd brick that we had that was holiday scented. And my husband loved this. We actually did buy the brick of it. We're halfway through it. My husband's like, "You better not run out of that." So I had to order some more. So I did order him in a few bars of that as well. Keep the man happy. I always order in 2 of the Happy Birthday bars. These are, I use these as Happy Mail for my customers, my regular customers who are on my birthday list. Depending on how many bars I have and how many birthdays I have that month, somebody will randomly be surprised with a happy birthday bar. And then the Hibiscus Waters. Now, this scent was one of the spring releases this last summer. Or I'm sorry, one of the summer releases this last summer. And it sold out within like less than an hour. These were gone and we were not able to order them. I threw all of the scents into my Scentsy Club so that I could try the scents that were, because when a new scent is released, it is available for 30 days to add to your Scentsy Club. Regardless of if it's sold out, you still can add it to your Scentsy Club for 30 days. So I ordered in all 4 of the summer scents. I fell in love with this one. It has stayed in my Scentsy Club and will always stay in my Scentsy Club because I always want to get this. So those are the bars that I get. I also threw in this month some cotton cleanups. So these are great when you go to change out your scents at your warmers. You can use one of these cotton cleanups and clean out multiple. So back in my husband's man cave, he has a couple of warmers going with, of course, his salted caramel toffee, his NFL warmer and his NHL warmer, and then I try to sneak in a holiday warmer, which sometimes he's okay with and sometimes he's like, get it out. He actually fell in love with the mummy wrap for Halloween, and that's still in there. It's Christmas, but he doesn't care because Christmas is my holiday, not his. So I can go in there and use one of these and drop it in, and I can clean out all 3 of his warmers with just one of these. It'll soak up to 6 cubes of wax. So I can clean them out and then switch them out to a new scent. The other items that I have in my Scentsy Club, I ordered in an apricot vanilla body wash because I needed some new body wash. And then I really like the blackberry basil oil for my oil diffuser in my bedroom, so I had to order some more of that in. And then I always get 3 of the scent of the month Scentsy scent circles. Now each month I do get our scent. I am a member of the Scent of the Month Club, which as a consultant, that is a perk we have available to us where we can order the scent of the month in the month prior so that we have time to make samples. We will have some bars left probably on our shelves. We get, right now we're getting a brick and 3 bars, plus we get the room spray, and then we have the option to also get the warmer of the month with that, which I do. So if you're ever interested in those, I do a video each month for those as well, but they do not include the scent circle. So I include the scent circle in my subscription so that every month I make sure that I get the scent circles. And then also when you spend $60 or more in retail on your Scentsy Club order, you get to pick 1 item for half price, and that can be any of the consumable items, which I sometimes will have a subscription box that does the my laundry liquid, my laundry scent soft, my washer whiffs, and then I have a few other things that I'll put in there, and I get my washer whiffs for half price with that. And then with this order, which comes monthly, I always get the whiff box for half price. Now I ordered because of we had a sneak peek and I knew that we had a very special gnome, Nick the Gnome, in the whiff box, and so I wanted to make sure that I got one. I ordered on the 1st, and now this one, sorry, my cat just jumped into something. So this box came with my order that processed on the 10th, and we're going to see if it has the same contents in it. And it looks like mine does. I just saw somebody who posted a picture that they had a different box, but they may be in a different region. So we have 3 different regions. We have region 1, which is the US and Canada. Region 2, I believe, is Europe. And region 3 and Mexico. I don't know how Mexico fits with region 2, but somehow Mexico fits in with region 2, so what their specials are tend to be what Mexico gets, and the United States and Canada get the same thing. And then region 3 is Australia and New Zealand, I believe. So we have Nick the Gnome, and Nick is a buddy clip who is specially, is only available through the With boxes this month. So there is Nick the Gnome. He's super cute, and right now he's hanging out on one of my trees, and I'm sure this guy will probably join him because you can't have just one gnome. And he smells like very Merry Cranberry, which I really like this scent. And then I also got a Perfectly Peppermint sugar scrub, and I love our sugar scrubs, so I am very happy to have more of that on my shelf. Clothesline laundry liquid, the Arctic Kiss, which is this month's scent of the month, and a bar of Snowberry. So typically the Whiff box is $30, and I, like I said, got it for half price, so I paid $15. And this month's Whiff box is valued at $39. So for $15, I got $39 worth of product, and I actually really like what's in here, and we use all of the products that are in here. And I really like the Whiff box because it tends to make you try things that you maybe otherwise wouldn't have tried, and so it just helps you to try new things. That's part of why I enjoy getting the Whiff box each month. It always comes in this cute little box and is available for purchase either through my website or through your Scentsy subscription. If you want to get your own Scentsy subscription, since that's what I've been talking about and said that word probably about 100 times so far on this video, you can place your own order on my website or your consultant's website. My website is kellymartin.scentsy.us, and then click on the Scentsy Club button in the middle, and then it walks you through how to set it up. Like I said, you can choose to have it delivered every 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months. And if you put something in there, a bar, if you pick any bar that you want, and I know that the Aloe Vera and Ivy is no longer available for purchase, but because I put it in there before it went out of stock and within the first 30 days of it becoming available, I can always get this until I remove it from my subscription. I love this scent. This one will be staying in my subscription along with my Hibiscus Waters, which has been in my subscription since I believe June, when it sold out like immediately. So the rest of these I wanted them through the holiday season, so I probably will back off a little bit on what's in here. That's why I switch it up every couple months, and I don't always want the same thing, but definitely have certain scents that I want to make sure that I get. I also really want my oil, so I make sure that that is. And there have been times that I've had this in my subscription box. They've been out of stock, but I still somehow managed to get these because they're in my subscription. So there is my pitch for why you want to have your own subscription. If there is anything that you really, really like and want to make sure that you never run out of, that is a great way to do it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you have a fantastic evening. Don't mind my cat's tail. She has decided to be friendly again. I hope that you have a great evening, and thank you very much for watching. Again, Kelly Martin, Independent Scentsy Consultant, and you can shop on my website at kellymartin.scentsy.us. That's KELLYMARTIN.SCENTSY.us. Have a great evening. Bye.